Let me start the next practice. At first, drawing an outline. Drawing a trapezoid, two trapezoid stick together. Drawing fingers one by one, folded finger, and these fingers are half close and third. At first, drawing a rectangle to determine the limitation of this finger and alignment, and the next with a small box. And separate the fingers from each other. Again, a box for palm. And next, practice different figures, different view. Let me draw trapezoids or a box, chamfer box, and dividing to three parts, and placement of the other finger. You can discover and find the placement of fingers here and here. Folded fingers. Thinking about this, if you haven't any model, you can think about the gesture and figures. And let me clean again to drawing. All right. On the next practice, let me draw 2 or 3 arches to determine the placement and boundaries of hand. For example, in this form, the hand writing with pencil on the paper, and 4 fingers are together with each other, stick together in a cone shape, cone volume. You can see the fingers close together in order to writing on the paper with the pencil, and I'm trying to determine the shape and volumes of fingers. And the pencil or pen inside the hand between the fingers. The fingers keep this pencil to writing or drawing on the paper. And let me again use a pencil or pen between the fingers in a different figure, drawing trapezoid, again a trapezoid stick together, drawing an outline, and draft. All right, and redraw, reshape the edges of these surfaces and drawing a pencil between the fingers. This figure show the writing now. All right, next practice. Different form, different gesture. I'm trying to draw the draft with simple lines. Determine the boundary and limitation of hand. Use of small curves. And here. Dividing one by one, and distances between the fingers, little gaps between the fingers. Consider this gap and drawing a pencil inside the hand between the fingers. Keep them tightly